Pratibha or I forgot the other name.
Praveen.
Praveen. Yeah. So could you please tell me like what may be the reason why everyone is talking about data science?
Uh-huh. Basically, it comprises of everything, right from the tools, technology, like the current meeting that we are conducting. So it has
Yeah.
all the things in one place.
Very nice. Nice answer. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I'll modify the answer a little bit more to make it more interesting. Okay, let me tell you, like till 2014-15, people were not aware of data science. Hardly anyone knew it. Okay, and during COVID, actually suddenly it picked up the interest of people. Do you agree?
Yes.
But COVID is not the reason for that. Let me tell you, COVID is not the reason for that. Rather, let me show you what is that. If you see, in the year 2021, we generated 79 gigabytes of data in the whole world. Okay. And now it will be in 2024, the expectation is 147 gigabytes of data. Okay. Every year, the data size is increasing by more than 22%. Okay. On an average, 23%, right?
Yes.
So if you have so much of data, how will you handle the data? Okay. To handle this data, we'll need data scientists. Okay. So, yeah. Before moving to anything else, actually, let me introduce about myself. I'm Shishir Das, and I'm the principal data scientist in a company. Okay, I'll for the moment I will not say the company's name. Okay, but in future, if required, I'll say you the name. Okay, so and I'm a data scientist from last almost 8 years, 8.5 years now. Okay, I have total industry experience of almost 15 years, and yeah, that's it from my side. I would like to know about you too. Please just tell me, like, what do you do? And that's it.
Um,
That's it. Yeah,
yeah, I'm Pratibha. I work into investment banking.
super. Okay. And how about Praveen?
Hello, I am Praveen. I am from Aurangabad, Sambhajinagar, and I am
Uh-huh.
professor of mathematics subject.
Oh, super. Which college are you in the?
HPL Junior College, there is Paitan Taluka hai.
Uh-huh. So, can I ask you, why are you planning to learn data science?
Because mathematics is used in the data science, so that's why I'm going to here.
Yeah. Okay. Statistics. Mainly, we use
Yes,
too much of
okay,
statistics.
right.
Okay. Very nice. Thank you. Uh, so, Pratibha, like, for how many years you have been in this line in
Um,
investment
15 years.
banking? Oh my God. And what is your purpose of learn? Like, why you are looking to learn data science?
I am trying to switch into this,
Okay.
either data science or data analytics. I'm more
Okay.
inclined to statistics, so just trying to explore it more.
Okay. Super. Super. Okay. Chalo, we can go further. So, where do you live, Pratibha?
LRF building,
Okay. Nice. Uh, like in LR, which society?
urban sector,
Urban.
urban sector.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Nice. F building. Okay, we can like meet sometime then. I also
Sure.
live in F building.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see, what is data science first of all. Do you have any idea, any one of you? Like you, Pratibha told something about the, you know, the
A bit
technical things. Okay.
for all, yeah,
Yeah. But
I
what
see
is,
that.
yeah. So what is data science? Data science actually anything related to data. Like collecting the data or storing the data. Sorry. Like suppose you are collecting the data from somewhere, and suppose you are storing the data somewhere, you are sorting it. Okay, you are extracting the data from somewhere, and even you are visualizing the data, analyzing the data, anything that you have been doing, everything comes under data science. Okay, so let me ask you next question. Who is a data scientist then? A data scientist is a person who does all those things, right? Even if someone does some of the things also, still the person will be called a data scientist. Okay. What goal a data scientist help achieve an organization? Any idea? Okay, let me tell you. The simplest thing, we as data scientists will help the organization to reduce cost and increase profit. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Simplest thing. Okay. Next, let's see what are the different job roles which comes under data science. Okay. First of all, data analyst. Pratibha was inquiring about it. Okay. Data analyst, definitely it's a data science job, but they are called data analysts. Okay. And what they do is they take too much amount of data, and like they try to find something from that. Okay. Then comes data engineers. What the data engineers do? They build and test scalable big data ecosystems. Okay, you must be aware of big data, right? The name at least you would be aware of. Okay.
Yeah.
So data engineers actually they build and test scalable big data systems. They are also data scientists. Okay. Database admins definitely would. Okay, they also like come under data scientist only. Okay. Data architects. Actually, data architects they provide blueprints for data management so that the database can be easily integrated as well as centralized and protected with the best security measures. Okay. So also they do another work, like they also ensure that the data engineers have the best tools and systems to work with. Okay. So data architect, okay, another one. Then comes LLM or OpenAI engineers. These are the new type of data scientists. Okay. In my organization, there is no difference. Like we have LLM or OpenAI engineers along with machine learning engineers, AML engineers. Okay. We are everything. So some companies, when they started on OpenAI, have you heard about OpenAI? Praveen?
No, sir.
It's okay. Pratibha, any idea?
I have no idea of OpenAI. I've heard AI.
Okay, no issue. Actually, the AI system, look, Microsoft has created, or we'll speak about it later. Let's keep it. Okay. So companies they have come up with this something called LLM engineers or OpenAI engineers along with AI ML engineers. So like if you see these AI ML engineers, AI is artificial intelligence and ML is machine learning. Okay. So these AI ML engineers are mainly called as data scientists when compared to anything else. Okay. These AI ML engineers are only called as data scientists. Along with that, these OpenAI engineers, okay, they are also called as data scientists. So anytime if someone says data, I am a data scientist, you must think that person is an AI ML engineer or an OpenAI engineer. Okay, but all other tasks also that comes under that data science role. Yeah. Any question? Like anyone?
No, sir. I understood.
No.
Okay. Okay. So let me tell you, I'm a data scientist, but my primary role like was into AI ML only, machine learning and AI, or still it is. Okay, it is into AI ML. So I'll primarily be speaking about AI ML instead of everything else. Okay, I know LLM like OpenAI also, but not working too much. Like my team has been working on it, but my concentration is only on AI ML. So let's see. For AI ML, there is something called deep learning. Okay. Deep learning actually, on the like now everything will go above your head. I know. Okay, but just keep these things in your mind. There is something called neural network. Okay, we have neurons in our mind, right? Similarly, some neural networks have been created, artificial ones. Okay, and those are nothing but some codes, nothing else. Okay, so on top of that, actually, we can use that to train our models. Okay, what is models? That we'll see later. On top of that, there is something called machine learning. Okay, so deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and there is something called artificial intelligence. So as you can see, deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. So what is a machine learning, first of all? Machine learning is a field of computer science that deals with the development of algorithms that can learn from the data. What it does? Suppose you have like lakhs of records, not even lakhs, okay, more than that, okay. So crores of records. From there, the machine learning helps you to learn something. Okay, after learning, it will be able to help you predict something. So let me give you one example. Suppose you two must be using Gmail, right?
Yes.
In Gmail, there is something called spam folder. Have you ever seen that?
Yes.
Okay. How does it know that whenever a model, like a data comes or a mail comes, it says, okay, it must be a spam. How does it do that? Okay, it does that by using machine learning. It's nothing but there is something called algorithm. Okay, algorithm is nothing but a mathematical equation, simple mathematical equation. Okay, when that is trained on some data, saying, okay, if such kind of data comes, it has to be calculated as spam. If this kind of data doesn't come, something else comes, that comes under not spam. Okay, in that case, by using that, actually it will be able to identify whether the whatever mail that has come, is that a spam or not spam. Okay, so machine learning is something like that. Okay, so it will take some data, it will learn from that, and it will be able to predict the future. Okay, future data, but the training data must have the things leveled. Okay, like it must have the leveled thing saying, okay, whenever this is the message, it is spam. Whenever this is the message, this is not spam. From there, it will learn. Okay, and next time when a new mail will come, it will directly tell us, this is spam. Okay, so actually machine learning is now on traditional database, we use it highly, as well as NLP also. NLP is natural language processing. Okay, so like how we are using our natural language, or the way we are speaking, we are writing. Okay, 1 minute, something stuck in my mouth. So for that also, it's being highly used. Okay, so what is that? Let me give you one example. Praveen, as you are from Sambhajinagar, are you comfortable with Pune?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So Pune is a IT hub, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose in this IT hub, there are, you are an owner of a coffee chain, okay, and you have thousands of coffee or tea stalls here. Okay, coffee chains, not normal tea stalls. Okay, so like everywhere you have here, as well as other cities like Hyderabad, Chennai. Okay, everywhere wherever the IT is there you have coffee stores. Okay, now in this coffee chain, okay, suppose you are the owner of it, or you are CEO as well as the director or general manager. Everything is you are that. Okay, now someone like me who goes to have coffee in one of your shop. Okay, and I go there. Okay, suppose I go to Magarpata store. Okay, and I say, I had my coffee, but I did not like it. Okay, I had a small fight with the employee also. It may not be the employee's mistake; it's my mistake. But as I'm the you know customer, so I just wanted to show off, and I just fought with the person there. Okay, and I came back. After that, what I will do? I'm definitely angry. So what I will do? I'll put a review, right?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Somewhere. Okay, it may be Google, it may be X. Okay, somewhere I'll put
Right,
the
right.
comment. Okay, all right. This coffee store, actually they make coffee with washroom water, bathroom water. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, I will say this coffee store manager, he was too bad. He did not handle the situation properly. That employee fought with me, something. Okay. What will happen next time? People definitely, they always see the review and they'll say this is the latest review and it must be true. Okay. I gave 1 star only. The coffee store sucks. Okay. Sucks. So what will happen? People will stop going to your store, right? So in that situation, you will definitely want to act quickly. Okay.
Right, sir.
So to act quickly, whenever someone, like, if there are thousands of stores in whole India, okay, then how will you go and read each of the reviews? Definitely no. Okay. So what will you want? You'll want, like, whenever a new review comes where your company's name is tagged, okay, in that case you must be informed by somewhere. So for that, actually, X, Google, anything that you take the name, okay, they provide some APIs. Okay, through that you can get the information directly. That happens. That's uh, real time. But after getting that also, will that be helpful? You'll need to know, like, suppose someone puts a very good comment, you don't need to know that. Yeah, but if someone puts a negative comment, you need to know that. So for that, what you will do, you will write a machine learning model and train the model on the data so that whenever a new review comes, X, suppose it provides that review to you directly, and your model actually runs on top of that, and it finds out it's a negative review. Okay, whenever there is a negative review, suppose you want, okay, send me an SMS on my mobile. Okay, so automatically you will see an SMS and you will get the information. You will go and check that review, and you will directly call the employees there. And suppose you find out like there was no mistake from them and you always use Slurry water only. Okay, so in that case, you will definitely write in the comment saying, no, we always take care of the hygiene of our store. Okay,
Yes.
customers health is very much important for us. Okay, you may, like, you will write something and you will try to cover that up. Okay,
Yes.
now deep learning, actually machine learning always works on the data which is structured. Okay, like whatever is stored in the database. If you are aware of database, then you will be able to understand it. Okay, are you aware of database?
No, sir.
Not at all. Like SQL, Oracle, or MS SQL, any names if you are, if you know those.
No.
Okay, can you think of Excel? Excel, do you know?
Ah,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
Excel is structured. Okay, so machine learning works on structured data and deep learning works on unstructured data, like from, suppose you have images, you have PDFs. Okay, on top of that, if you want to perform something, then you will have to use deep learning. Okay, from PDFs, actually, it can extract information for you. From images, it can extract information for you. Okay, so those things are done by using deep learning. Now, what is artificial intelligence then? AI is nothing but a collection of thousands of deep learning and machine learning algorithms, and that becomes AI. Okay, now Microsoft came up with something called OpenAI. Okay, or generative AI. Okay, that is very, very, very much famous now. Okay, people were talking about it some 3-4 months back, like anything, or 6 months back. Okay, they were going crazy with it. Okay, so people, actually, as you are not from the technical background, you may not ask me this question, but many people did ask me, what is OpenAI then? So OpenAI is nothing but a artificial intelligence model only. Okay, it has been trained on very high amount of data. Okay, and if you want to use OpenAI, actually, for both of you, you just search for OpenAI. Okay, Microsoft OpenAI, and just you can ask any question to it. It will be able to answer you. Okay, it will talk to you like, or it will chat with you like normal, human. That's what is OpenAI. Okay. Now, to become a machine learning engineer, like as I told you, I am from AI ML background, so I'll speak only about machine learning, okay, or AI. So, what are the technologies that you must know to be a machine learning engineer? SQL. Hi Nitin. Sorry if you joined late. So
Hey, sorry for disturbance. Actually, I
no, it's
saw little late due to the office calls. So I just recently.
okay. No issue. You missed too many things, but okay. You can go through the video. Like,
Yeah,
oh,
yeah.
yeah. So, what are the technologies you must know what to be an ML engineer? SQL, definitely you'll have to learn it. Okay. Excel is mandatory. Okay. Machine learning models, I'll teach you. Okay. And let me tell you, I'm very good at machine learning models at Python. Okay. So along with that, you need to learn cloud platform also. Cloud means you can Google about it. Like, cloud platform is nothing but this. Have you heard about servers?
Yes.
Okay. So there we install everything, right? So similarly, Microsoft, then Amazon, okay, Google, they provide cloud services where for each of the customers, okay, suppose my company is a customer of them, they will provide similar servers where we can install our things. Okay, they will provide the security also. So the cloud also you'll have to learn a little bit for machine learning. Along with that, actually, there is something called NLP, as I was talking about it before. So NLP will also be very helpful. Otherwise, you can go for time series. And some visualization tool like Power BI or Tableau will be very helpful. Along with that, Azure Data Factory or Databricks will give you added advantage. But at least you need to know SQL, Excel, Python, ML models, little bit of cloud with NLP or Power BI or Tableau. Okay, this much is definitely needed if you want to move into data science as a machine learning engineer. Okay, and I will not suggest for data analyst. If you are really looking to move into data science, then don't go for data analyst job because the salary is a little bit low there. Okay, now why do people want to move into data science? One of the answer I have already given just now. I give. Okay, so as you have come here, so you must have done your homework also. Okay, so high package, definitely. Okay, data science gives you the highest package now. Okay, if you are a data engineer or data scientist, then you are going to get very very big amount. Okay, now as your salary package, then it is on high demand today. And let me tell you, uh, from last 3 months we are trying to hire 5 people, 5 data scientists. We have gone for Pune, Bangalore, and Hyderabad location. Till now, not a single person joined us. Okay, that much demand is there. Okay, we have interviewed many, we have selected many, but they are getting more. Okay, more, offers, and they are moving. But yeah. Sorry, I have to move from here to there. Now, so again, if your life is very monotonous, then data science will make you it will help you not to be your life to be very challenging. In that way, it will not be monotonous anymore. Okay, and it's the digital and new technology, so it will be in demand for next 10 years also. Okay, so that's the reason people want to move into data science. Now you may ask me, how old is AI or machine learning? Is it a new concept? As every one of you must be hearing about AI, so what is your point of view? Like, is it a new concept? Is it totally new?
No, I don't think so. That was previously, but it got evolved as time passed.
Yeah. So how old it can be?
And we can take the Google search, right? That is also
Okay. But anything, any guess? Don't go to Google.
4 to 5 years.
Very good. I am a data scientist from last 8.5 years now. So definitely not 4 to 5 years. 1943.
Oh,
Oh my God.
It started in 1943. The first neural network with electric circuit that was created in 1943. Okay. So like it was the earliest model and it showed that it was possible for two computers to communicate with any human interaction. Okay. It was not able to give proper answer, but at least it was able to communicate with people. Okay. Then in 1950, something called Turing test came. Okay. It actually it was involved to determine whether a machine can act like human. Okay. Whether the machine can tell the difference between human and machine given answers. Okay. Then computer checkers program 1952. Till now, this program is being used. Okay, till now. So whoever developed it, okay, he is a genius. Okay. So there is like in 1957 and 1967, if you see the perceptron is nothing but collection of neurons. Okay, when it came, the deep learning became very, very, very big. Okay, 1967, when the nearest neighbor pattern classification came, okay, our machine learning models became very knowledgeable. Okay, like they could understand, like they started understanding, like or they managed to understand the data very easily. 1974 backpropagation came. Okay, backpropagation is actually this is called neural network. Okay, this is single neurons. Okay, so previously what used to happen is data used to flow through one layer only. The input data will be like this through this second layer, third layer. It will be the output. But when backpropagation came, the data passed to the backside again. So that way, what happened is if the like suppose the data I told you, like for machine learning, the data has to be leveled first of all. Okay, so if the data is leveled, so you can identify whether the prediction is correct or not. Okay, the training model on the training model or training data. So if it is not correct, in that case, push it back again, train the data. Okay, that way back propagation helped us to train our model more, like again and again, and get the best result after that. Then in 1997, actually IBM created a supercomputer. Okay, its name is Deep Blue. Okay, and Deep Blue defeated then chess master Gary Kasparov. Okay, you may not, if you are a follower of chess, then you must know his name. I used to follow chess. Okay, I used to play chess, so I know his name. Okay, so this was the first time a computer actually defeated a grandmaster. Okay, then in 2002, actually, have you heard about PyTorch by any chance? If you know Python, then or the name of Python, if you know, then PyTorch maybe you are aware of the name. I'm not saying anything else.
Yes.
Okay, so PyTorch actually came into picture in 2002. Okay, and PyTorch allowed us to, use Python for deep learning. Okay, it made it very, very, very easy for us. Okay. Now we have TensorFlow also. PyTorch is now Meta's property, and TensorFlow is the property of Google. Okay, so previously there was a company called Keras. Keras created some packages by using which you can create a deep learning model that is brought by Google now. So it is called TensorFlow. Okay. Now after this, actually, sorry, after all these, actually, suddenly there is a very high rise in, or there was no looking back after this. Why so? Everything is dependent on Moore's law. There was a person called Moore, Moore. Okay, Moore provided some law. On the basis of that, actually, we can get I can say that there is no looking back after all these fighters and the supercomputers and everything. Why so? Let me show you what is Moore's law. If you're seeing this, Do you read the, can you read this? Moore's law is the observation that the number of transistors in an integrated circuit doubles about every 2 years. So number of transistors in an integrated circuit doubles means the computing power of a computer increases or doubles every
2 years.
2 years. Okay. And do you remember, like, I don't know, like, how old you people are, and I'm not going to ask that. Okay. So, but let me tell you, when I was in college, okay, some 16 years back, 15, 16 years back, okay, that time I used to have a 500 MB RAM, okay, and hardly 50 GB hard disk, I think. Okay, that laptop was there for me, okay, and I was very happy with that. Now, Core i7 has become also old, I think.
Yeah.
even I am not updated. Okay, I am outdated now. So think about the computing power. Previously, for any single thing, people used to go to supercomputer. Now, everything is like your laptops are your supercomputers, your desktops are your supercomputers. They can process data like anything. Very easily they can process. The computing power is so high now. Okay. So because of Moore's law, actually, that what that says, like when computing power actually become more affordable, it becomes possible to train AI algorithm using more data. Okay, and it resulted in an increase of the accuracy and efficiency of these algorithms, AI algorithms. Okay, so that because of our computing power, now we are able to train our models, machine learning models or AI models or deep learning models, whatever you call them, on our local computers itself. Okay, you don't have to go to supercomputer. So that is the reason actually there is a high demand now for machine learning. Okay, and the data is increasing day by day, and we need machine learning engineers or data scientists. Okay, now let's see, if you will be training with me, what are the topics that we will be covering. Okay, I'll be teaching you machine learning. Okay, in the machine learning, uh as it will be everyday session. Okay, so we'll try to like, it will not be 36 sessions of 1 hour, rather it will be 25, maximum 25, 26 sessions. Okay, you don't need 36 sessions. It was when I started training, that time I took 36 sessions and it was not required. Okay, I was going very, very, very slow, it was not required. Rather 25 sessions of 1 hour each for machine learning. Okay, what are the things that you are going to get there? Introduction to AI ML, the Python also you'll learn. Okay, the machine, like the ones that is required for machine learning, then data manipulation, statistics. Okay, and the supervised and unsupervised machine learning algorithms, then how to evaluate the models. After that, how to reduce overfitting, what is okay, then we'll go to machine learning models like decision tree, random forest, gradient boosting, KNN, SVM, then unsupervised algorithms like clustering. Okay, and I'll show you some practical examples also how to do that. Even okay, I'll show you how to deploy a model using Azure MLOps. Okay, I'm a Azure employee, like not Azure employee, actually I'm a Azure AI ML engineer. Okay, so I'll show you how to deploy models on the Azure MLOps. Okay, after that I'll help you with interview questions in between. Like every day I'll be telling you what are the interview questions that you make it. Okay, along with that I'll help you with 2 to 3 projects. Okay, then once everything will finish, okay, after 1 month or 2 months, you can connect with me for your doubt clearing. Okay, once this will finish, this machine learning, okay, not the final one, not the 2 extra classes. Okay, after this project we'll take 5 to 6 days of break, and again we'll start with NLP. NLP will be of 8 to 10 sessions. Okay, here also we'll be doing 3 different projects. Okay, I have not written the project numbers, but you will be doing 3 different projects. Okay, and you can show that in your CV also. These projects definitely you can show in the CV. Okay, then Along with that, there will be some additional trainings. Okay, maybe Lalit will take you through those. Okay, it will be on SQL and Power BI, and yeah, that's it. Okay. So I can say like I'm done with the demo. Okay, as it is a demo session, definitely I cannot take you through the technical things. Okay, but yeah, let's check with Lalit. Okay, if you want to continue the training, please speak with them.
Yeah, coming to the additional training sessions, uh, what Shishir has just mentioned regarding Power BI and SQL session. SQL session is like this will be if required session. Like okay, SQL you guys have some experience and most of the people have experience on SQL already. So if required, that can be added. But Power BI, we're adding 10 sessions. Yeah, SQL and some advanced sessions will be there, like some for functions only. Power BI sessions will be there. That will be not in detail only to the specific on for dashboard creation, because Power BI sessions will take around 30 to 35 sessions if we will go in detail. So we are covering only what is required, as you will be covering this data science sessions. So Power BI also will required in many requirements. So that is optional. Like well, if you want to go ahead with Power BI, then good. Otherwise, you can continue with machine learning and NLP as well. So apart from this, any other questions you can ask me, Shishir? Good to answer. Praveen, Nitin, Pratibha, any further questions?
Hey Lalit, Nitin this side. So I just joined late. Can I get the recording?
Yeah, sure. I have asked everyone to fill that form so that I'll get the mobile number and mail ID. I'll forward you everyone, all three. I'll forward the recording.
Sure. I will fill that.
Okay. So if no other question, then we're good to close. Is there anything else you want to share?
Not from my side actually. Yeah. Like anything anyone wants to know, actually, you can directly reach to Lalit. Even if you want to talk to me, you can talk to me also. Okay, whenever you want.
One question from my side.
Yeah, anything.
Yeah, Shishir, so I just have one question. So consider we complete this course and whatever project you mentioned, we complete that. So that will give a experience of what level?
How much experience you have, Nitin, now?
8.
8 years. So definitely you can sort 3 to 4 years of experience into machine learning. If that much experience you will get.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So like total 8, definitely nobody can have fully totally into machine learning, right? So you can say
Correct.
4 years, 3 to 4 years. 4 years. I'll suggest 4 years.
Mhm. In general, one question.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you think? What is your opinion about the big data?
Big data also is, previously, like, what is your opinion means? Could
No,
you
no.
please
So
elaborate a little
I
bit more?
just had some. I just got some knowledge about big data. So I
Mm-hmm.
just actually see how the current market and all that.
Yeah, it's also good, Nitin. The big data will definitely be always there will be market, okay? But only big data will not help you. Along
Yeah,
with big data, you will have to do something else, okay?
correct.
So on top of that, you have to have some kind of analysis or machine learning, okay?
Right.
So yeah,
Yeah, only cleaning of data will not help. I need to
no,
be more deep.
yeah. And you have 8 years already, so you have to be a little bit
True.
like, yeah, you have to go a little bit further on the train, like on the knowledge or technically.
Thanks for that. Yeah.
Okay. So with this, can I stop?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you all and have a good night.
Good
Thank
night.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
Thank you.